Good day. Welcome to AR-WorldNews.com. Today, let us discuss about the mandatory pro bono requirements for all Filipino lawyers. What is the Unified Legal Aid Service or ULAS? The Unified Legal Aid Service or ULAS, governed by Administrative Matter No. 22 of November, 01 SC, is a landmark policy of the Philippine Supreme Court that mandates lawyers to provide free legal services to those who cannot afford them. Taking effect on February 3, 2025, it streamlines previous pro bono initiatives into a single, cohesive framework to ensure that adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. The highlights of this new, pro bono, mandatory service by lawyers. 1. The 60-hour requirement. The core of ULAS is a mandatory time commitment. Most lawyers in the Philippines are now required to render at least 60 hours of pro bono legal aid service every 3 years. Compliance period. This 36-month cycle is synchronized with the mandatory continuing legal education (MCLE) periods. The first cycle, the very first compliance period, officially began on January 1, 2025, and runs through December 31, 2027. Two. Who are covered? Generally, all active members of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines (IBP) are covered lawyers. However, there are notable exclusions. First, government lawyers, specifically those absolutely prohibited from private practice, e.g., judiciary, OSG, DOJ prosecutors, POW. Second, senior practitioners, lawyers who have practiced for at least 35 years or are at least 60 years old. Third, new lawyers, those admitted to the bar during an ongoing compliance period are exempt for that specific cycle. Fourth, physical, mental disability, those whose condition makes compliance unreasonably difficult. 3. What counts as service? ULAS covers a wide range of legal activities beyond just courtroom representation, litigation, legal counseling, developmental legal assistance, notarial services, and outreach. Litigation, representing indigent clients in civil, criminal, or administrative cases. Legal counseling, providing advice, drafting contracts, affidavits, or legal memoranda. Developmental legal assistance, conducting rights awareness seminars or training on basic human rights. Notarial services, providing free notarial acts for qualified beneficiaries. Outreach, participating in accredited legal missions. 4. Alternative compliance and aggregation. The Supreme Court recognized that not all lawyers can easily find 60 hours for direct service, so they provided flexibility. First, financial contribution. Lawyers can buy out up to 50%, 30 hours, of their requirement by contributing to the ULAS fund. This fund is used to reimburse other lawyers for expenses incurred while doing pro bono work. Second, law firm aggregation. Law firms can pool the hours of their members. However, even in a firm, every individual lawyer must personally perform at least 25%, 15 hours, of the required service. 5. Incentives for lawyers. To encourage compliance rather than just penalize failure, the court offers MCLE credits. Completing the 60 hours automatically grants a lawyer 15 credit units toward their MCLE requirement. Tax incentives. The court is working with other agencies to provide potential tax deductions for pro bono hours. Expense reimbursement. Reasonable expenses, like filing fees or travel, can be reimbursed through the ULAS fund. Thank you for listening. This is AR-WorldNews.com saying take care and be safe. Let us not get tired of doing good works. Every small good deed we do contributes to a much larger impact than we can see.